Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. Having a pretty light day today, but cleaning up some of our moving mess. Got the table set up. Now when I was using Mom's Dolly, this wheel sounded like a flat wheel. I thought these things were hollow, but there's something else in there. At any rate, this thumps while it's rolling. I checked online. Didn't seem very easy to get these wheels. I should have went into Home Depot. They had a great selection. But I went to this company called Granger and picked up these wheels. Then I had to get screws to go with them. Looked like I need washers for the screws. At any rate, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take those and screw them in those holes. 8mm set up there. These wheels may be rated at higher rate capacity. That one seemed a little loose. I'll see if the other ones seem that loose. But you can get these out with a claw hammer. Pry them out. Work them up and out of there. The ones that are in here, they have a vinyl sleeve on them. Some of these wheels are so expensive, they cost more than a whole cart. I think you can get one of these carts, maybe 75 bucks up to like 110 bucks. But these wheels, man, these wheels range from, if you go in Home Depot, they're probably cheapest. They range from about, I would say, $8 up to $25 a wheel. So figure out which ones you want, go get them. Like I said, I'm gonna put these on. I'm not sure if this spread is a standard size. It probably is. These screws here, I could have got 12 of them for $5 or 50 of them for $6. Might as well get 50. And this should screw in here and hold these wheels in. Those are number 12s, 1 inch long. Get that on an angle where you can see it. So let me put my 8mm on my tool and drive those in. Tap those on to get them started. That's a good. Snug them down. There was a peg or something. Got it going. I'm not cleaning out the holes before I put them in. Something down in there, but I'm sure those screws will bite past it. So let me go ahead and put them all in, flip it over and roll it. Let you hear, I should have let you hear the difference. These wheels are probably quieter than those were, but we'll see. As weirdness would have it, I got sold 3 different wheels. I got wheels with a black edge on it, and one of them has a white edge on it. The one with the white edge came in a thicker plastic. It's a 1x4 by 694D, and the rest of these is 694Bs. Not sure this one, if this one was in the plastic or not. Yeah, that one was in the plastic. 3 was in plastic, 1 was not. So anyway, they do have nuts on them with lock washers, the vinyl lock washers. This one seems like a cheaper wheel than that one. Those seem cheaper than that one does, so I don't know. Anyway, I'm done. Let me roll it. All of the other holes, we got 4, 8, 12, 16, except for 2 screwed in fine. This one was full of plastic. This one was full of plastic and or dirt. So I'm going to get my drill bit and drill and tap those 2 out and screw those down. These 3 cheaper wheels have a little mark on them where the mold is that makes them bump when it rolls. But that nicer wheel with the white trim on it seems to be smoother. So they all work. It's good to go. I'm all done. Take it back tomorrow. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.